Hey, it's Shasta with the Freedom Education Movement, and this is the Mend Your Mindset with Music and Sign Language course. So I just wanted to kind of give you a rough sample of how the course will go in my style of teaching and how I'm going to approach a lot of things, because I know it's important to really have a good idea of the setup of the class and if it's going to work for you or your student. And I really think that the way that I teach will be very flexible, so it'll work with whether you're very structured or very unstructured, whether you really want all the in-depth course stuff, the English, the sign language, the history, the mindset and social science, psychology aspect of it, or if you just really want just to learn the sign language to music part. So there's going to be a lot of flexibility in this course. So I want to just kind of go over how I'm setting things up. So I'm going to try to mark everything with whether I'm hitting something that's like social science or health related. So that'll be your mindset stuff, your neuro pathways, the way your brain works. You could consider that a psychology credit. It depends on whether if you're unschooling, then you're good. You can just do whatever. If you need to really be tracking what you're teaching and everything, then I'm going to have it set up so that you can do that and you can get credits depending on what you need, whether you need history, English, foreign language, or all of them. Within that, I'm going to have all these different things, but what I'm going to do today is really just kind of go over the lesson for how the sign language is going to work. So I'm going to have different songs. You'll get to pick a song, and what we'll do is we'll start off with listening to the song, then we're going to analyze the lyrics of a song, then we're going to learn vocabulary for that song, and then we're going to learn to actually start signing the song. And when we're learning to sign it, I'm going to have what I call a creative, easy version, and then the more ASL, little harder, more in-depth version. So you will be able to pick either option. And I apologize if you can hear the fan in my laptop. Of course, it's going to go off while I'm trying to record, but we really want to get this done. So here is the first song I'm going to do. This is me. So here it is. It's one of my favorite songs. I love this song. Sure you can hear it. I'm not a stranger to the dark. Hide away, see, 'cause we don't want your broken heart. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to have everybody do is I'm going to have some song choices. This song will be in the inspirational motivational. So I'm going to have different series. Some will be worship. So there'll be a worship series class. There'll be a motivational, inspirational class. There'll be a class for people who are trying to heal from pain and trauma. There'll be probably a country version. So I'm going to try to hit everybody's different styles of music. And then I will have within that a list of songs. So this will be one of the songs that I do in motivational, inspirational. So what we'll do is we'll listen to the song. I'm going to talk about visualization and things like that. So we'll have already gone over that, but I'll be hitting over on that as we go through each song. Then we're also going to watch, if I have somebody that's already interpreted the song online, we're going to watch different interpretations just so I can kind of show the students that sign music is kind of like singing the national anthem. So if you've ever heard different variations of the national anthem, you will know that everybody sings it a little bit different. So the words are the same, but the variations are just, this is it. Like there's so many different variations. The same thing works for sign language. When you're interpreting, interpretations are based on concepts. So the meaning will be the same or very similar, but the way you sign it will be different. And so I will show different interpreters online that have signed songs like this. And she's one of the best ones. I am not a stranger to the dark. Hide away, they say, 'cause we don't want your broken hearts.